There are moments when intention needs direction, ideas, tasks, vision, planned in a fraction of a second, but without a path forward. This is where Flashback changes the process. Adding notes. You add a note to flow, a title, a clear thought. You write it down, select a date, and anchor it in time. You add it to flow. Again, another note, structured, intentional. Added to flow. A third, clarity, begins to take shape. Tasks. Now you move to tasks. You open the planner. From the banner above, select task, a title, details that matter, a date, and you add it to flow. Again, another task. Execution becomes visible. Links. You add a link. Select link. Paste your reference. A title. Optional. A date. And it enters your flow. Again, another link. Knowledge. Stays connected. Images. You add an image. Select images. A title. A short note. Drag and drop or import directly. Assign a date. And add it to flow. Viewing the planner. Now you open your planner. Each entry becomes a card. Clean, structured, alive. You expand a link. The preview appears, visual, immediate. You go deeper and open it in full detail. Images and tabs. You open an image. The card expands, revealing its content. Clear, accessible. You open a tab. Everything inside, visible at once. This is not just planning. It's structure, applied to action, where ideas become execution. This is Flashback, your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.